Moving on, technology has brought a revolution to the manufacturing industry, making it faster, making it more efficient, and environmentally conscious. The integration of automation, customization, IoT, and sustainability practice is changing the way products are made and how they reach consumers. As technology continues to advance, we can only expect more exciting and transformative developments in the field of manufacturing. And the topic for this session is manufacturing powered by technology and people creating a sustainable world. Global technology and business leader with over 25 years of experience with a focus on cloud transformation, enterprise IT architecture, and managing large scale program and IT services for businesses. People and technology leader with skills and spearheading large organization in manufacturing, supply chain, and high tech with innovative approaches to problem solving, mapping business needs with software solutions and services. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, as I invite our next speaker on stage, Mr. Anand Bhushan, Chief Operating Officer, International IT Development Delivery Center, St. Gobain.
Good morning, everyone. I'm very glad to be here. You are such a wonderful audience. Uh, I heard you, Biju and Vijay, very inspirational. And actually, when you both were speaking, I was going down the memory lane. 20 years back, my previous CEO met Nandan in an event in Delhi. And Nandan's speech was that first Dutch came, French came, British came, thanks technology in India, and we are back. This was for me one of the moment 20 years back gave me so much inspiration. When I see today where we are placed, we would be creating history, and many of the slides when will be presented a couple of years forward, there will be more names from India than from Europe. Let me quickly come back to Saint Gobain, which we in French language call Saint-Gobain. So when you hear Saint Gobain and Saint-Gobain, I don't want to let you confuse because I have been trained to call Saint-Gobain. So I sometimes forget to call it Saint Gobain. So I'm very sorry about that. And before I move forward, because whenever the name Saint Gobain comes to anybody's mind, people think that we make glass. We also make glasses, but make many other things. So let's very quickly, I will show you what we do.
Ever wondered what it truly means to build the future? In a world where we aspire for progress, amidst the rapid expansion of urban areas, can our living spaces be more sustainable? Can we preserve our planet? There's a key: light and sustainable construction. At Saint-Gobain, we focus on solutions for light and sustainable construction that utilize lesser resources, reduce carbon footprint, enable shorter construction time, improve energy efficiency, ensure maximum comfort, and are sustainable. Our solutions create comfort and well-being in living spaces, inspiring workspaces, safe and hygienic healing spaces, exciting recreational spaces, and sustainable mobility. Our light and sustainable solutions fulfill individual and collective needs. Through light and sustainable construction, we spearhead the transformation of conventional methods of construction to embrace the future for India and the world. We create construction materials that play a pivotal role in sustainable construction. Sustainability is at the core of our manufacturing practices, enriching and shaping our solutions. We confront climate challenges head on at our India Research Center and leverage the power of data to provide innovative, sustainable solutions. We are Gobain, India, a shared ambition of over 8,000 employees to be the leader in light and sustainable construction in making the world a better home.
Sagoba, when I say making the world better home, if you see, I just had to use so many numbers to fill the slides, but the behind these numbers is a passion and it's a motive to make this world a better home. Being an Indian, but so much proud today that I'm sharing the achievements of my team working from Mumbai and Chennai and ensuring that India is in every home of the world. And the key focus, because technology, when you speak about, is given when anyone speaks about India. But the focus that we are bringing here is sustainability. Whatever we do with, with belief that we provide to our consumers and customers beautiful, rather lovely home or nice place to work. And that reflects in anything and everything that we do at work. And the second part that we focus on performance is not what we do, but performance what our customer achieves by giving them affordable and comfortable house. And this is something I will show that to you. Everyone sitting in this room will reflect and see our impact on the world heritage. The two, if you see here, one is Statue of Unity and another one is Central Vista. Entire material and everything, including technology, is from Sagoba. I have not spoken about few things that we do and feel proud of. Vista Dome train, many of you would have seen, and Bande Bharat is too much in the media. All the glasses and technology is by us. While I speak about the impressions that we make on world heritage, I would like to bring in front of you how much we are using technology and data to drive value. While I had many cases to showcase here in this room to all of you, I've chosen mobility, digital construction, and sustainable manufacturing. Many of you would recognize these brands. Purposefully, I have chosen EV because for all of us, sustainability is a key. Because for all of us, car is extended living space. When we say that we are making the world a better home, we can't let car to be untouched. So let's see a small video. Anyway, I moved forward, looks like. So couple of things when environment and safety, that is right now on our agenda. I'll discuss with you advanced driver assistance system because this is something inbuilt in the screen, in the glass, and that's where most of the advanced EVs which they are using. Head up drive, so the driver can focus on the driving, and many of you recognize this. People speak about glass is an insulator, and we say that glass is not an insulation anymore. And also how glass is helping us with the help of technology, data, and physics to create an environment inside the car to define the different thermal zones so that air conditioning can be more efficient, so that it consumes less battery. And second is the light, very important for safety because light should get adjusted based on outdoor light outside. And this is how we design our glasses to help all of us while we're driving the car to make it safe for us, and also an acoustic comfort that provides based on equalizing the outdoor noise and inside the noise. And this is all being done with the help of technology. Let me come to digital construction. Digital construction is something being disrupted. Many of you would have built your own house or renovation done. Is one of the most difficult aspects that many of you would have gone through. This entire value chain is so fragmented that only technology can help us to get things done in completely coherent way. And that's where we have created a product which we call building information modeling, because this helps us to get the complete digital representation of construction, enhances collaboration, because someone who does glass doesn't do tiles, someone who does tiles doesn't do civil, improves overall turnaround time and efficiency of construction. So short video, this time things should work. Somebody removed it.
Saint-Gobain offers plug-in solutions for the Archi CAD and Revit software. Once installed in the CAD software, you will have convenient access to more than 10,000 BIM component solutions from our Weber, Isover, and Regitz brands. We are currently working on including additional Saint-Gobain brands and solutions. Due to a smart system and component search, the BIM objects can be easily applied to the design. All materials, qualities, and surfaces will be available immediately. Physical structural performance values such as the sound, fire, and U value are automatically identified. Tender documents, links to online catalogs and product sites, as well as in-depth information, e.g. regarding product details, are likewise available. We are currently working on including all 2D details, product and safety data sheets, performance declarations, and much more. The plugins access the Saint-Gobain server in real time. Thus, architects and designers have access to up-to-date BIM data and BIM components. Users can be informed of design-relevant changes via the integrated message center. Because the three most used CAD systems are supported, the majority of architects and designers have access to the complete BIM solution from Saint-Gobain.
I'm bringing the manufacturing at the forefront because when Vijay introduced in the morning, she had spoken about banking industry. Manufacturing is one area which is going to complete disrupt how technology would power India and Indian talents across the world. And that's where I'm using the word sustainable manufacturing because many of us we call digital manufacturing, smart manufacturing, but any aspect that we use should connect to sustainability. And that's where our smart factory, the value chain, and entire technology, and many of you would see this in our booth outside, is being inbuilt in house to support across the globe. All our assets, all our sites, we have 900 sites across the globe being managed from India. And we develop all our technology and support system in India at this point in time. Coming back to how we leverage it across, what we foresee in manufacturing, the kind of story it is written in fintech. I would like you all, as a part of the ecosystem, come together and disrupt manufacturing because this is one area which is still a lot to go in this space. And with focus on sustainability, the focus is not only to reduce CO2 footprint, but also in future any product that we manufacture should have less carbon emission. And some of the chemicals that we manufacture today, if it is mixed with RCCs, and just to let you know, it doesn't produce any CO2. The focus we have at this point in time, not only to produce the products or construction material, but to provide complete solution to our customer. And third, most important is if our manufacturing is sustainable, safe, this would also help us to sustain in the industry. And that's the focus that has been in my organization for last 350 years. We are the one of very few oldest organization in the world. And we are driving this with the help of technology. And that's where I'm very happy to be speaking in front of you. Thank you so much.
Do we have any questions? We can raise our hands. Just all right. If I can request you to kindly take center stage. Thank you so much for such a expansive presentation. I think, and many congratulations actually for reaching far and wide, worldwide, and also in various diverse sectors. And all the
Thank you.
very best. Moving on, may I please invite Ms. Deeksha from NASCOM to kindly step on stage and give away the token of gratitude to Mr. Anand Bhushan. Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.